In this tutorial, I will show you how to import a recipe from the web. To add your own recipes to your private recipe box, click on the tab that says Recipe Box. Then click on the tab below that says Add/Edit. Now you can click on Import from Web and copy and paste the URL of the website address that you'd like to import the recipe from. I'm going to copy and paste the link for this blueberry almond butter smoothie and then click Start Import. Once the import is complete, you can see there is an exclamation mark beside ingredients, which indicates we have to complete that section. When I click on it, you will see that I have to match the ingredients to their category before I can continue. So I'll spend some time matching these ingredients, and when I'm finished, I'll click Continue. Now I can see the imported recipe and scan through to make sure all the recipe details have been imported correctly. Everything looks great, so I will scroll down and click Save so that this recipe will be saved into my personal recipe box, which I can easily access from my main navigation by clicking the Recipe Box tab. If you'd like to calculate the nutrition information of the recipes you import, be sure to check out our business membership, which gives you the ability to input recipes and analyze the nutrition information in real time.